Good morning, guys. Day 4 of me trying to get my first client and scale up to $5,000 a month. Pretty simple plan for today: collect more leads, outreach more people, and repeat the process. So, without any further delay, let's get started.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow. Moving with the motion, following the light that sets me
Okay, so guys, this was day 4 of me trying to get my first client and scale up to $5,000 a month. It was pretty boring, and I told you, entrepreneurship is pretty boring. I collected few valid leads, outreached few more people. I need to increase the volume, but that's it for day 4. If you like this kind of boring videos, please do subscribe this channel, comment what you think. Thanks for watching this video. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on every single week. You need to satisfy your soul, not the society.